Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign clients on LinkedIn in 2024 as a coach. I'm going to show you very simple straightforward approach that I use for myself, okay? And using this approach I've generated like 26 plus leads on LinkedIn, okay? So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so first, the mistake a lot of coaches do on LinkedIn is they try to do everything on the platform. Okay, so you don't have to do you don't have to do everything on the platform. It's very simple. The lead generation on LinkedIn and client acquisition process on LinkedIn is very simple if you do it the right way. And in this video today, I'm going to show you the right and the effective way to generate leads and close clients on LinkedIn. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen, okay, first step is to set up your LinkedIn profile. Okay, so what do you mean by setting up your LinkedIn profile? So you have to make your banner active and eye catching, right? When you see my banner, okay, it delivers, it says everything what I do, right? The outcome, I help coaches sign 2 to 4 extra clients every single month on LinkedIn. You can see that on the banner, right? Second thing, you can see a visual of an iPad showcasing my free checklist, okay, with a CTA. You can see CTA is saying click the link below to download, right? So it is attractive, okay, eye catching. It clearly states everything that the visitor is getting, okay, and the CTA is driving them to click on the link. So you can see, second thing, coming to the headline, okay, so this is the main card section of LinkedIn profile. Any visitor, okay, coming to your profile sees this two things: your banner, your profile picture, and the headline. This three things, right? So second thing, coming to the headline, you can see my headline says clearly what I do. First of all, about my role as a LinkedIn coach. So it clearly says that I'm a LinkedIn coach. What is my offer statement? The how I statement, right? Helping coaches and creators sign an extra 2 to 4 clients every single month on LinkedIn with my CSS framework. Okay. Second thing, my social proof to build credibility. Okay. Second thing, you can see, click the link below to download your free checklist. Again, a CTA. The reason of adding again a CTA, because if someone sees my banner, okay, and then they read my headline, right? So I don't want to miss a single opportunities of losing a visitor, right? So I'm again giving a CTA so that they it again hit to their minds that okay, you have to take an action, right? So I am forcing them to take an action when they come to my profile to click on that link. So again, when you scroll below, you can see my link in bio. I have written that stuff in caps and used a CTA type of thing, like download your free checklist, right? So again, it is attractive and forcing someone to click on it. So this is how the whole psychology has been used on this profile. Okay, so when someone comes to the banner, comes to the headline and sees the CTA, everything is driving them to take a single action, right? So this was the main card section. Coming to the about section, okay, if someone is reading my about section, what I have done and what you can done is start with a story. Okay, start with a story. Definitely use copywriting frameworks like pain agitate solution, AIDA framework, right? Attention, interest, desire, action. Start it with a story. Combine it with a storytelling to make it more compelling and powerful. Now you can see second thing, mention their pain points and desire goals, their desired outcomes, because you have to show the visitors, your ideal clients, that you know them. Okay, you know them on a deeper level. If you show that stuff in your messaging, it creates a good impact on them. Your copy creates a good impact, okay, and it will help you to convert them. Now second thing, add clients win and social proof. They will be like, you are saying that you can help me, but show me the proof. Okay, so you show the proof by your client wins, your success stories. So this is how you build your authority. Okay, you make yourself as an authoritative figure. Okay, in the end, promote your offer with a CTA. Again a CTA, because you don't want to lose a visitor. Again, give them a reason to take the action. Okay, so coming to the featured section, service section and the featured section, I use this section to again showcase the social proofs, like the video testimonials you can see on my profile, the case studies in the featured section. So I've distributed this two stuff. Okay, in the service section, client video testimonials, and in the featured section, clients case studies plus wins. This was the profile setup. Okay, this things which I have included are the core part of LinkedIn profile. It If you optimize them properly, you make your LinkedIn as a landing page. Okay, and what is the purpose of landing page? To convert a visitor into a lead. Okay, so this will be going to help you a lot if you do it very effectively, and you can use this what I have given you the formula in this video. Okay, to make your LinkedIn profile and convert it into a landing page to convert visitors into leads. That's it. Second thing, now your profile is set up, it's ready to convert leads, but you have to bring in the traffic. And to bring the traffic, there are two ways on LinkedIn. Create content. People who read your content go to your profile, it's a traffic. And there is one more way to bring more qualified traffic, I can say like the exact ideal clients, okay, to your LinkedIn profile. So first of all, let's see how to do the content. Create content 3 times a week if you're starting as a coach. Okay, you don't have to take unnecessary pressure. 3 times a post as starting out is good. Then you can test it, what's working, what's not, double down what's working, what type of content is working for you. Okay, so yeah, first of all, to generate leads, this video is for generating leads, right? How to sign clients in 2024. So first of all, write down the pain points of your target audience, right? Then write down the solution you are going to offer to them to solve their pain points and help them to reach their desired outcome. Okay, now create content by solving their problems and showcasing your solution in your content. List the problems in the hook and the body, give them the value and the insights, and with the CTA, tell them if you need help, okay, to resolve this problem, just DM me, or what type of CT is, okay, DM me the word and I'll share the details. You can do this thing. Second thing, to convert the people, the lurkers who are reading your content, right? So publish case studies, client wins, testimonials to convert lurkers into leads. That's it. This type of content, and let me show you the examples. What you can use: case studies. My client closed. You can see 3 deals in just 7 weeks working together. This is a case study where I've written everything before working, after working, what's the progress. So this is how you develop case studies. Okay. Second thing, sharing business lessons, personal content, this type of content. So you can see this post. Okay, sharing the business type of lessons. Okay, so you don't have to every time like put educational content and promotional content. Post some personal stories to create a personal connection with the readers, right? Now the educational content, middle of the funnel content, you can see how to do something, how I have done something type of content, how to do this, how I have done, and how I have done X by doing Y. So this type of posts are educational content. You can also turn this thing into carousels, but starting with text post and not taking unnecessary pressure on creating content is good. So with this thing, it will help you to bring that traffic to your LinkedIn profile, and you know your LinkedIn profile is now optimized and it is ready to convert the traffic. Okay, so when people coming from your content to your profile, it's very easy for you to turn them into leads, right? Now I'm going to show you the way which I told you to bring the right qualified traffic, the exact traffic you need, and that can be done by doing outreach, cold and warm outreach, right? So now I'm going to give you the way how you can do this thing. Use Sales Navigator. It's very easy on Sales Navigator to find your target audience, create a list of your ideal clients, and then reach out to them, right? So how I do it: creating a Sales Navigator list. Okay, searching your ideal clients, for example, health coach, life coaches, creating a list. Okay, now sending 10 cold outreach messages and 20 connection requests to them. I can say you to only send the connection request, right? But you have to fast track the process. Okay, so connection request, sending the connection request and doing the conversation and turning them then into leads is a good thing, right? You build a relationship, you showcase your expertise, you tell them to jump on a call, or you sell via like the offer document. But doing the cold outreach makes the process very shorter and increase the chances if you do it in the right way. So that's the reason I've added 10 cold outreach messages, because if you generate leads, it will fast track your process, right? to closing the client. So send 10 cold outreach message, be direct with the message, keep it short and concise, and send 20 connection requests, the personalized connection request. So what will happen? I have tested it myself and I do it every single weekday, right? Almost every single weekday, to bring that traffic, qualified traffic, to my LinkedIn profile. Whenever I send a connection request, people have that habit to check LinkedIn profiles, who is sending, what I do, how I help. And as said, when you see the profile, okay, is already optimized, what I do, whom I help, and how I help, right? So when the traffic goes to my LinkedIn profile, when they accept the connection request, then it increases my chances to convert that conversation into a lead, to convert that stranger into a lead. Because if they have gone to my LinkedIn profile, it has social proof, it has what I do, how I help, and whom I help type of thing, it has case studies, right? So it is automatically nurturing the visitors who is seeing my profile, right? So I help coaches, so I send connection request to coaches. Now keep doing the step 2 every weekday, every single weekday, consistently on LinkedIn. You can do it on weekends to test out if your target audience is active on that stuff, but I avoid to do on weekends, because people are mostly on off LinkedIn and they are enjoying it with the family. So I try to do it on the weekday. Now the non-negotiable of this process, okay, the non-negotiable of this process, once your profile is optimized, now it's time to send connection request. As said, you have to send that stuff, sending 10 messages to ideal clients. Again, people who are reading your content, liking your post, visiting your profile, it proves that there is a shared interest, they want something, or they have read your profile. So send them the messages, don't waste that traffic. Don't let it be like, okay, someone is visiting your profile, let it be. Go to your profile view section and message them, hey, you viewed my profile, how can I help you, and some type of this messages, right? To build and start the conversation. See, money is in the conversation. As a coach, you have to conversate, do the conversation into the DMs, to convert that conversation, right, into a lead, and then you can book a call or sell via chat. This was sending 10 connection requests to ideal client at least, sending 10 cold pitch, as said before, posting 3 times a week. That's it. For 3 times of writing 3 times post, it will take hardly half an hour to 1 hour. And doing this, well, it will hardly take half an hour to use to sending this type of message, if you create a system like already collecting the DM script and everything. Okay, so this process would hardly take you 4 to 5 hours a week, but it will help you to generate lot of results. Like this type of result, if you see, my clients are closing, like you can see, close a client H closed 2 clients in just 10 days and 3 times their profile views. So I'm not going deeper with this stuff, but you can see the screenshot and you can stop the videos and you can see what are the results. These are my results generating consistent lead. You can see the source: warm outreach, cold outreach, and inbounds. Inbounds are less, so I don't wait for inbounds. I reach out to my ideal clients so that I can generate leads with the conversations, and it's one of the most powerful things working for me. That's why I've given you the exact strategies I'm following. Just I'm doing these things in numbers, increasing the frequencies, right? Now you can see the inbound leads, how I'm doing this, how I'm collecting payments from clients. So this is, that's it for the video. Just follow this simple and effective process and you will thank me later for this stuff, I promise. Okay, so to make this more easy for you, okay, if you are a coach watching this video, okay, and want to sign 2 to 4 clients every single month on LinkedIn, then I have created a checklist, a free checklist. Go, there is a link in the description and you can see it into the pin comment of this video, okay, below this video. So go download this checklist. This checklist will help you to gain clarity, set up your profile, to scaling your business on LinkedIn. Okay, I have added 15 points into the checklist with some free templates, right? So go, it will help you to stand out in your niche, optimize your LinkedIn profile, and turn it into a lead generation machine. Follow this exact steps to sign 2 to 4 clients every single month of LinkedIn. And I promise, guys, this is the exact thing I use into my LinkedIn coaching. one-on-one coaching. So I this is like $1,500 resources giving you just for free. Okay, so just go download the checklist and just boom your LinkedIn, just grow your LinkedIn and close consistent client as a close coach on LinkedIn. So that's it for the video. If you like this video, just drop a like and subscribe to this channel, because I am going to drop more LinkedIn related videos. Okay, specifically LinkedIn related, marketing related, personal lessons and business type of videos for you as a coach, and it will help you to grow your coaching business on LinkedIn, right? So this channel would be worth subscribing. So that's it for the video. Have a great day. Bye.